just met your roommate, put him on what to do list.
Go Mary, go Mary. Sarah, what highlighter do you wear? What highlighter do you wear? I'm not going to lose my sleep over you anymore. If you want to respect me the same way I respect you, then I'm sorry. You lost a good friend. You lost a good girlfriend, his wife, whatever the situation is. Like, what you want in this life, all you need is the Lord Jesus Christ and to have faith as small as a mustard seed and see how far that takes you.
Faded, your love, I just let it find you for real. If you found love, then keep it real. So
right there. Yeah, that's good. And then from there, I go in with my foundation brush and I just blend it in real quick. So this is like I tried, but it's not a full face. So like it takes me like 10-15 minutes to do this. And it's not supposed to be perfection really, it's just like I'm not trying to look bust. Alright, going in with my Maybelline concealer. Double this right here. And I am doing this in like real time because I really do got somewhere to go. And they're gonna hate me, like, Sarah, you always take forever. I know. I'm trying to work on my time management this year. It's not been going that well, but overall, this year has been great though. I do see like God working in my favor and I'm so grateful for that, y'all. I'm gonna keep praising him, seriously, because every time I break out, I get a dark mark. And that dark mark literally takes like a year to get away from my skin and it's so annoying. Anyways. But yeah, I'm like happy, like genuinely happy. I feel like everything is finally turning around in my favor. I always want to text whenever I'm busy. What am I up to? Nothing, nigga. Okay. I say I'm not looking for perfection, but yo, this mark right here. Today, I guess I'm going to go in with the pencil. I'm going in with the Morphe brow pencil, and I don't know what color this is. A dark brown. You know, there's no name on there. Chocolate mousse. Alright, so basically, I don't know. It's just like quarantine's going on, and like, yeah, I'm sad that I can't go out, but at the same time, I'm using this time to like really get to know myself and surround myself with people that genuinely care about me, family members, and like, it's raining outside. I love when it rains. I think it's so peaceful. It's just like so zen. So it's so zen and relaxing to me. I freaking love rain. Like, today I have to run my errands. I have to go to the mechanic. After the mechanic, I'm gonna just come back, light up a candle, probably pour me a glass of wine, read a book, watch a documentary, like maybe smoke a blunt. Just kidding, but I don't know. I just feel like this year is my year. Like, I really truly feel it, and I would love people to support me and, you know, along the way, but I also have to realize it's not always going to be the case. And to get, because I'm not lying, life is stressful as fuck. And sometimes you have a plan on how life is supposed to go, and you get a wake-up call from Jesus like, no sis, you need to let me have control, because that's basically what happened to me. Like, you plan everything, you think this is how life is going to be, what's supposed to happen, and it doesn't work out like that all the time. And even though at that moment I felt like I was lost, I felt like I was broken, I felt like, oh my god, I felt like my world was coming to an end. Like everything I thought I knew, everything, the road that I thought I was taking, that I was just like, yeah, this is how life is supposed to be. Everything changes and you're lost. You go through the waves, you go through the depression, you go through the God, do you hear me? Do you the questions, the cries, the long nights with the tears and the cries. And I'm not even 100% where I want to be. Like 1 out of 10, I'm at like 3 right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm finally seeing God moving in my life. Although, I mean, if Jesus could like speed it up a little bit so I can just like get there tomorrow, that would be nice. Because, you know, like if life had like a manual script of Sarah, don't do this, or Sarah, don't be friends with this person, Sarah, do this is what's gonna lead you to success. Hell yeah, I'm a cheat. Like, give me that, you know, shortcut. Give me the manual. But in reality, life does not work like that. Alright, so I'm going back in with the foundation brush and I'm focusing it right on the middle of my forehead where I had that acne scar. And boom. Yep, I'm gone. What scar, sis? Come for me. Alright. I really like this Morphe pencil, by the way. It's like super precise. Yeah, I love it. It's actually really, really good. This gets an 8. This is a 100% for me. And I'm going in with my Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. Basically, it adds a little color, but also sets your brows in place. Ooh, girl, I went a little too heavy with that. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to do this in real time. Maybelline concealer. And I am cleaning underneath my brow. I just got my brows done, so it's not necessary, but it's necessary. You feel me? Like, I really gotta hurry. He's gonna be here in like 10 minutes. I feel it. I'm gonna make him wait. Say, I'm tired of waiting. But yeah, keep pushing on. Like everything that I thought that was gonna happen from school, whatever it is, whatever, regardless if it's school, relationship, sickness in the family, finances, whatever it is, just keep holding on. Have that faith that Lord God is gonna see you through thick and thin. Fast, pray. My mom is deep into that. Like, setting my face, I'm going in with my microsmooth powder by Sephora and deep. I really like this powder. Like, it's lightweight. It gives me good coverage. I mean, I have acne scars, so for me, it's perfect. Then, oh, I need to set underneath my eyes. I'm going in with my Hourglass Mineral. If you need a cheaper alternative, go in with the Air Spun powder. Going in with my favorite part is the bronzer. Add some color back into my skin. I don't have a brush. Ooh, I don't want to get up. Oh, actually I do. This is a Tarte. This came in a holiday kit, so I'm just going to bronze up my face. I really need to hurry. But yeah. Ooh, I love journaling. I have a journal that I just like write my ideas, my plans, my prayers, anything that is just on my mind. Just jot that down. It's like a diary pretty much, where I just write down my experiences, how I felt. And then I have a hard time for forgiving people too much, because it's like, you can love somebody, but if they are continuously hurting you while they're trying to love you, like sometimes they don't even mean it. Like, they just be them, and like they cause you pain and you don't even understand. Just cut your losses and let it go. Cause bruh, you won't cause yourself into a depression. Like, why is this person not caring? Why is this person, when I tell them to do this, they do the exact opposite over and over and over again? I'm talking about, this could be a relationship, this could be a friendship, this could be, I don't know, this could be a coworker, shit, I don't know. Just, you gotta cut your losses, man, because at the end of the day, your peace means a lot more than any friendship, means a lot more than any relationship, means a lot more than any coworker. You lost a good sister, you lost a good girlfriend, wife, whatever the situation is. Like, you have to respect people's boundaries, especially when you let your boundary be known and they still choose to break your boundary over and over and over again. It doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm just stressing myself for no reason. Like, I'll find somebody that will respect my boundaries plus more. You know what I mean? Find a friend that will respect your boundary plus more. If you're telling your friend, please don't eat my bananas, and every day she eats your bananas. Okay, this is not the real example. I really don't care if you eat all my bananas. I don't, but this is just an example. But, you know, they know what they're supposed to do, but they choose not to. But then when you get upset, you're the one that's crazy. You're the one that's overreacting. Okay. I'm just saying, people in this life, I'm not even saying I'm perfect. Listen, I know I can be stubborn. I know I can be your best friend tomorrow and your enemy the next day. Listen, I have my own problems I'm trying to work through. For sure. But I'm all for forgiving. Like, let's break the ties. Let's be friends if it's possible. But at the same time, if it's a constant struggle, you're going back to your ex over and over again, you keep doing the same stupid ass shit, you're going back to that friend, you know she's gonna, whatever, just let that go, sis. It hurts. It really does hurt because you want this person to be in your life forever and y'all want to be best friends for life and this and that, or you want this person to be your girlfriend for the rest of your life and this, that, and the third, but it doesn't work out. What do you do? What do you do? Because if you keep it, you're going to go mad, you're going to go crazy. And I'm a very confrontational person. Like, if you're doing some bullshit, I'm going to let you know. And a lot of people can handle that. Because I do believe that there is a way that you should get your point across. Because I have met people that can get their point across without being an asshole. I am trying to work on that. I'm trying to get my point across without seeming like an asshole. Because sometimes I can come off as an asshole. And this is something I have realized. Take time to self-reflect, okay? Time to self-respect. Respect yourself and your actions. Go look through your life and what you've done and the decisions you've made. Or if anyone has made you mad to the point where you don't even recognize yourself, let that shit go, sis. Let that. She ain't worth it, bro. She not worth it, bro. Let her go, my nigga. He's not worth it. Like, just cut your ties, cut your losses, and move on. Like, it hurts. I say that now, but you think it was easy when I had to lose a friend or go through this and that? No, I was crying. I was boo-hooing night and day. Like, why is this happening, God? Why? I don't understand. Oh, I'm going in with my bronzer. And it's basically like eyeshadow, but not really. You're boo-hooing night and day. They out partying. They out there living their best life. Sephora eyeliner. This is real time. I'm just doing this wing liner. Yeah. Eye number one done. And basically with liquid liner, this is really easy. The one I was using before is cheaper. I think this was like $9. The other one is my e.l.f. liner. I really like that one too. I've been using that for like years, but it's harder to use. This one's easier too. If you're a beginner with wing liner, I would grab this. It's much easier to do a wing liner. Got my mascara. Going in with the Falsies volume. I can't find nothing with my lash screw. Okay, there it is. And I still gotta put on my pants. I don't have no pants on. This is terrible. Don't let a friend stress you. Don't let a nigga stress you. You are a fine boy. Ooh, that looks crazy. They're not respecting your boundary. You talk to them over and over and over and over again. Let them go. Your mindset changes. The way you think changes. The way you act is different. You're more positive. You're more happy. You feel more with purpose if you surround yourself with the right people. The wrong people, listen, if you have friends that you see them what they're doing, birds of a feather flock together, period. I'm sorry. Like, I'm a believer of that shit. If you got a friend, he's a thief, your other friend a thief, you're not a thief, you're not gonna be a thief yet. Trust me, yet. Very few can not be tempted. I don't know. Very few. I strongly believe birds of a feather flock together. I'd be tempted as hell. I met a stripper once and I was like, damn, let me ask her for her info. Like, let me make this ass clap for some coins. But, alright. Oh, I put on my Fenty gloss and Fussy. Oh, this is Pretty Please. Oh, I need more blush. Blush. This is like the most important blush. The most important part is blush. I love blush. Listen, do you see how I just, look at this. I look dry. I look tired. This side. Ooh, I'm alive. That's so, oh, excuse me. That's so pretty. I grab highlighter. What's it? Highlighter I wear the most is this Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mean Money Hustle Baby. As you can see, I need a new one. But the shade I like, I do not like the traditional highlight that's just super there. I like the, oh, like, what's that glow? Sis looks like, you know, she's been, you know, living her best life type glow. Her HD powder and the yellow. I really like it. It looks like that. It just gives a nice blurring effect onto your skin. Oh, did I bronze my nose? I don't think I did. And then blend that out. Mascara. And that's the completed look, guys. This is my fast makeup routine, everyday routine. If I'm trying to go out, I'm trying to run errands, I'm not trying to think too much about what to do to my face, this is my go-to look. All right, y'all, getting into these outfits. Outfit one is the sweatshirt dress. I got the earrings from Shein. I will list the link for the sweatshirt dress down below. Next outfit is just your standard sweatpants, and I just took a black t-shirt and tied it up in the front to make it look cuter. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.